Hello and welcome to another new video of SAP ABAP. In this video, we will explore our second control statement of SAP ABAP, which is the case statement. Case statement is used to evaluate a variable or an expression against multiple possible values and execute different code blocks based on matching condition. It is similar to a series of if-else-if or else statement, but provide a more structured way to handle multiple conditions. Its main case is similar to the if-else-if and else statement, but it provides a more structured way to handle multiple conditions. In As we see in if-else-if statement in my previous video, that handles some of very little condition, but when we go to the more and more conditions, when we applied more and more condition in our program, so we need some structured way of finding the desired result. Or if anybody or if any other developer might want to change the code or might want to maintain the code, so it will be difficult for him to do to maintain the program in a very short way. It will take more time, and then if the first developer use statement, as compared to if else statement. This is a fun first benefit of case statement. We will discuss later in this video more differences between the if else if statement and the case structure. So let's explore case statement in the web program. I have already developed a report program to demonstrate the if else statement and the uh, case statement. So let's begin. I wrote here data is type I. This is my variable of type I, and name is age, and I pass a value of 15 for the initial value of this variable. So let's put some breakpoint here. So then we debug and find that what if an statement do and what the case statement. So if an if else statement always start the comparison of value from the first condition, like the program will check the age, the variable of the value of the variable first, either it is 18, and if the first condition falls, then it goes to the second condition, that either the age is 19. If the second condition is false, it goes to the third, and so on. And if not a single condition true, it automatically goes to the else block and execute the else block of a statement or a single statement which lies under the else block. So first of all, let's understand the syntax of case statement. In case statement, you can declare it like this. Let's declare it. First of all, you have to write CASE. Press tab when you see the sign. So the format and the structure of the case statement automatically will be populated. You just have to use it in your way. So I did the same, and apply on the variable age. So here case age, the case will check the value of age. If the value of age is 18, it will write your age, you are of age 18. If the value of age is 19, it will be right you are of age of 19. If the value is 20, the system will print you are age of 20. In case structure, the value on the condition will be checked automatically. Automatically goes to the desired value. Mean if the variable have 8 have value 20, then the control of the program will automatically go to the when 20 block. So it will not read the block when 18 condition, it will not goes to the condition when 19, and it will directly goes to the block 20 because the value of age and the value lies under the case structure has been matched and is the condition is being true. So that is the main difference, and you can also see the readability is very much clear. uh, and let's see this by debugging the program. Execute the program. We have already set a breakpoint here. Let's execute. Sorry, we have to first activate the program. Now the program has been activated. Let's execute it. The system will automatically goes into the debug mode. So if we double click on the value on the variable age, I will explain debugging in my coming videos in detail. So stay tuned to my channel, and do subscribe if you're new to my channel. So in debugging, when we double click on the variable, we will find the value on the right side of the screen. Here it shows the age variable has value 15. So when I click F6, or when I enter F6 or press the above button to execute, it will move to the next SF. You are saying that the cursor is moved to the next SF, and then next SF, and then and it goes to the else block because none of the condition has been true because it sold the value 15, and the condition lies here is comparing with the 18, 19 and 20 values. So the it goes to the else statement, and the system will print your age is not between 18 to 20. So let's move on. Now we are debugging to the case statement. In case statement, when I execute first, here it is. You should notice that the system, the control of the program directly goes to the right other block. It's mean none of the values uh, none of the values match to the value of variable age. So the control goes directly to the when others block. The system, the program will write your age is not between 18 to 20, and so on. Let's F8. Here it is. Your is not between 18 to 20. Your age is not between 18 to 20. The first message is from if block, and the second message is from case statement block. Hope you understand. Let's explore some more things about case statement. Let's uncomment this block of code. I must uh, also mention that you can also write, sorry, just uncomment the lines again. Now here it is. Now it had been the uncommented. I was mentioning that you like if else statement, you can also use a block of code under the any when block. So like this, I can write many lines under the under any when block and perform any business logic according to the value of a variable. There will be no problem as here. That's I execute. Let's activate the program. So Let's move on to the case statement expression. Case statement is mainly used in two form. First form is case statement variable value, which we have used, and the second is case statement expression form. So in this expression form, we use expressions um, after the case keyword, and we compare the value of expression to the different values by using the when statement. So in this program, I am comparing the two values, the addition of a and b with the values under the when conditions. So let's display. Let's use. So let's execute the program. The debugger is still. So delete the breakpoint, again delete the breakpoint, and then execute. Here it is. The sum of a and b is 18. As you see that I use the class underscore dem underscore output and write text for printing the message in an advanced form. So you can also use this for printing your desired message. So as you see the system, the output of the program is the sum of a and b's 18 was printed. It's mean it's compared it's added the value of both variables and compare the result with the value of the when blocks values. So this is a case statement expression. Now, moving on to another thing of case statement is nested case statement. Let's uncomment the code. Here it is. We will just understand this nested case structure for clear understanding of case statement. So here you are seeing that this is the first case statement, and under the when block of first case statement, the another case is lying. Case and end case is lying under the when statement of first case statement. So we can also use nested case statement for complex programming decision, for complex business logic, and you can see that that the readability of program will be very easy, and it will be very simple for any new developer. So then he could easily maintain the program afterwards. The one thing which I must have to mention here, that here is a keyword exit use in the nested case statement. So whenever the exit keyword applied, the control will goes to the outer case statement. If the exit is used, the control will automatically goes to the outer case statement, and the program flow will be on, like we have discussed earlier. So in the end, let's find some differences and comparison between the if else statement and the case statement of SAP ABAP. The difference between both statements is: use the case statement when you need to compare a single variable against multiple values, especially when those values involve range tags. It means that case statement you should use case statement when you want to compare a single variable value to the multiple values like we use, and always use if else if statement when you need to evaluate multiple conditions sequentially, which might involve different variables or more complex logic. It's mean that complex logic for the implementation of complex logic use if-else-if statement. And when you are using a bunch of variable, when you are using different variable involved in different condition, always use if-else-if statement in a proper way. The choice between the two depends on the specific scenario and the organization of your code for better readability and maintainability. Hope you learned a lot from this video. If you like this video, to click on the like button. Let's meet into another interesting video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.